Hey, it's Jones with Pool Warehouse, and we're going to take a few minutes just to show you how to install anchors for your ladder and for your handrail. Now we've gone ahead and got our channel and our anchors out. You'll get two different channels. You'll have an 8-inch and you have a longer one that's for your ladder. This goes in the deep end, but right now we're sitting by the handrail. Now your anchors will attach directly to the channel, and they're going to screw right into the holes. You can see those right there. Now we're not going to screw these in yet, but I want to show you what that looks like. So it would go right on top of that channel. And then what you want to do is try to work those down into your backfill material. You just want to get it down far enough so that it's even with the top of your coping. That way it's flush with your deck. After you get those pretty much locked in where you want it to live, and don't forget, whenever you get this placed, that is where it's going to be permanently at your pool. And you're going to drive that down into those punched out holes in the channel. Right beside this channel, we have another channel and anchors already affixed to a set of boards. Now, this particular set's already been bonded, but what we want to show you here is just a little pro tip. This just creates a base, something easy to work down into your backfill, but this gives a little more room for you to maneuver that channel set around. This anchor set's already locked into place. We've got it ready for concrete. Now, you'll see that it has this copper wire running down the length. You do have to make sure this is bonded correctly. We would recommend that you hire a licensed electrician to do any type of bonding or grounding around your pool. Just don't forget that part. Now, one thing I did want to point out, if you remember those blocks we showed you earlier, those are actually buried down in our gravel backfill here. And folks, it really does provide a much sturdier base for your channel. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online at poolwarehouse.com.